this is it. The Chun-Li stick. Finally got my hands on one. I had pre-ordered it, but then I got impatient and just wanted to spend the money on something else and canceled. Big mistake. Cause what do you know? It went from 177 to like fucking 400 on the internet, and no way am I paying 400 for an arcade stick. PlayStation 4K is around the corner. Sanwa Denshi parts. Check. Okay. That's all good. Yeah, I have to slide this bad boy up. It's a slide off cover. So taped or whatever. Yeah, I have some tape on here. Seal the box. There you go. Pretty nasty. Start button's clearly out of the way. It's a hologram. Kind of a hologram, I guess. Yes, definitely. And those looks like a 3D image. That's cool. Hey man, you gotta celebrate. I've been playing Street Fighter since 1991, so it's only appropriate I get this bad boy. And they know how to bring the nostalgia back. I mean, I was playing Super Street Fighter 4, and when it goes to the option menu, or when you beat the game, when you beat story mode, plays that iconic music. And that just brings you back, all the way back to Street Fighter 2. That's a classic Street Fighter 2 music, man. So that's why I play fighting games. And that just reminds me why I play fighting games. I had to get this bad boy.